Sa ating newly-wedded couple, but before them, of course, kailangan po natin sabihin at pagka sa kanila ang ating pagmamahal. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now have the entrance of the proud parents of our newly-wedded couple. Beginning off with the parents of our bride, Mr. and Mrs. Ladislao Jr. and Evelyn Olegario. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Ladislao Jr. and Evelyn Olegario. Let's go!
Galing ni Kuya Jem.
Thank you so much. And of course, hindi naman magpapahuli. The proud parents of our groom, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rondino Malapote and Miss Maria Alma Mercado. Come here po. Now and sir, you have your reserved seats here in front so that you will witness the special day of our newly-wedded couple. May I request Sir Rondino Malapote and Miss Maria Alma Mercado to please sit here in front. Mayroon po kayong upuan dito sa harapan. Are you guys excited to meet our couple? Palakpakan naman! Yes,